Recently, I made an impromptu trip to one of my favorite antique malls, and it's all decked out for Christmas. So I thought that I would bring you along and show you what I found. I was on the hunt for three things. I wanted a basket for my shelf, a plate for my wall, and I was also looking for a copper vase. So come along with me and see if I found those things. And I'm going to just set this to music and let you enjoy the shopping experience. To let you know I am going to do a video on decorating trays for Christmas. So if that's something that you are interested in, you might want to consider subscribing to my channel so that you don't miss that video. Isn't this large copper bin amazing? Oh, I thought it was so amazing. I wish I had a place for it. I mean, it's expensive, but it's wonderful. All right, I wanted to show you real quick what I picked up. I did find a basket, so I'm really thrilled with that. I'm going to set it on top of my cabinet here and see if it works. I think it will, because I did do some measuring. And then I got this picture. You saw it in the video, but I decided to go back and get that. It was only $6, and I'm going to figure out a way to frame it and get it up on the wall. Okay, there is my basket. I put it up top. So I am liking it up there. I need to get some things in it. I need to go do some digging. And then that's how I have my shelf styled. Anyways, I think that's a perfect fit. So I was pretty happy to find that. Thank you so much for watching today. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking it, subscribe if you'd like to see more, share it if you think somebody else would enjoy it. Here's a couple more videos for you right here, and I hope you have a wonderful week.